Beautiful people, welcome to the Nelson channel. Today I am going to share with you the recipes I use for my skin that clears black spots on my skin and also on my face. It helped me to clear my breakouts and fine lines. And also, without wasting much of your time, please, for those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up after watching my video, and also click on the notification button for you to know when I upload video, and also subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna show you what I use that helped me. Here is coffee. Coffee help to treat acne and also help to reduce inflammation. And here is honey. We all know that honey is antibacterial, naturally antibacterial, that help to glue skin and moisturize the skin. And here is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is jam-packed with malic acid that help us to treat breakout on the skin, and also help to unclog the pores. And this is yogurt. Yogurt help us to keep our skin moisturizing and also keep it to be very smooth and glowing. And here is green tea. Green tea help to reduce treat irritated skin and also redness that caused by acne. Let's begin. Already I have my coffee here, as you can see, and green tea, and you can use 1 spoon of all this I'm showing you now, like if you really want to use it only on your face. But for me, this one I'm preparing now, I'm gonna use it on all over my body. I like to use it for scrub all my body and face. It has no side effect. It's good for oil skin and for dry skin. And here I have already green tea. As you can see, I opened it already. I don't need more. And you take 1 spoon of yogurt. It depends how you want it. If you want it to be very much, it depends how the quantity you want. I use 1.5 spoons. Then one spoon of apple cider vinegar, and honey. You can put this is enough. All you need to do is just to mix it together. Mix it very well together. Mix it very well. This is exactly how you have to make it. You need to make sure that the coffee dissolve. So without wasting much of your time, let me I've not scrubbed my face today, so I'm gonna show you how you have to use it. If you have spa sponge, you can use it on your body. I don't like to use spa sponge on my body. I use my hands to rub it, to massage it. So all you have to do is to massage it. As you can see, as I still have some black spots, and this, as you are seeing, my skin is just my 3 weeks result. This has really helped me. So this is it. So you need to leave this for, just leave it for 20 minutes, then you wash it off. You can massage it all over, all over your body, all over your body, all over your body. If you want it to be more thick than this mine, you can just use only 1 spoon. Don't put half, just 1 spoon of yogurt. Okay, this is it. Okay, the remaining one you can put it very if it's remaining, if you massage all your body and it's remaining, just put it in a little bit container and put it in your bedroom for, don't put it in the fridge. There is no need, just put it in your bedroom, so just normal room temperature. So that is it. You have to leave this for 20 minutes. Or even if you're not doing anything, you are not in a haste, mask or massage all your body. And please, when you're using this, don't, anyway, you have to use it when you're about to take your shower. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like, and also if you need a question, you can ask me on there, and I will also answer and I will also reply you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.